Welcome to Unisellergy. Let's walk through how to connect your Amazon Seller Central sales channel. To get started, go to the Channels module. If a guided tour appears, you may close it to continue. On this page, you'll see multiple marketplace channels available for integration. Locate the Amazon channel and click Connect Now. You'll be redirected to the Amazon Seller Central login page. Enter your registered email ID and password. Then click Sign In. If Amazon redirects you to the OTP verification page, enter the one-time password OTP sent to your registered mobile number to complete the two-step verification. After verification, click Sign In again to proceed. Next, the Unisellergy authorization page will appear. This page requests permission to view and manage your Amazon seller account data. Scroll down, select the checkbox to allow Unisellergy access to your Amazon seller partner account and click Confirm. You will now be redirected back to Unisellergy. Please do not close the pop-up window manually until the process is fully completed. Once the connection is successful, open the inventory page. When the Sync Amazon Data pop-up appears, click Sync Data. Please wait while your Amazon inventory data is being synchronized. After the inventory sync is complete, go to the Orders page. Your Amazon orders will begin syncing automatically. Once both inventory and order synchronization are completed, your Amazon sales channel is successfully connected. Now, let's talk about how to disconnect the Amazon channel. If you wish to disconnect your Amazon channel, follow these steps. Go back to the Channels page. You'll see the Amazon channel marked as Connected with a Disconnect button on the right. Click Disconnect. A confirmation message will appear. Do you really want to disconnect the Amazon channel? Click No to cancel and close the pop-up. Click Yes to confirm and disconnect the channel. Once disconnected, Amazon inventory and orders will no longer be available in Unisellergy. Thank you for using Unisellergy. We're here to help you manage and grow your business seamlessly.